Oh, you ain't nothing but a hound dog if you can't do better than that. Give me some Dino Flintstones. Give me some old Yeller. Now, who's ready to dedicate a dog park? Oh man, you're making old Blue proud. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Richard Zavala. I am with the City of Fort Worth Park and Recreation Department, and today your park system is going to the dogs. It's that simple.
It's so fun. As you know, the dog park has been open a while anyway. We were here when it first opened. But this is the grand opening and a chance for you to see it, to see the dogs run, to get your dogs vaccinated, to get a certificate for spay and neuter of our generous friends.
They don't want you to see it.
There you go. Hey.
Like I've been here before, man. I've got this.
Yeah.
He goes this way. Good boy.